Many creators believe underpricing is a confidence problem. They assume the solution is gaining more confidence or feeling more worthy. But in most cases, underpricing is not a mindset issue. It's actually a business structure problem. And until the structure is fixed, the pricing problem usually continues. Today, I want to show you how to fix it structurally. Underpricing is a signal that something deeper has not been defined. First is an unclear transformation. Instead of saying, I help with business strategy, say, I help entrepreneurs build automated digital businesses. Clear transformation creates clear value. Another reason creators underprice is because the delivery structure is not clearly defined. This leads to scope creep. When scope is unclear, clients expect unlimited everything. You deliver far more than you priced for, and that's where burnout begins. The third cause is authority positioning. If your expertise isn't clear, your audience won't understand the problem you solve. Healthy pricing is not just about making more money. It protects three critical things in your business. First, it protects the transformation. Your pricing should reflect the results your offer delivers. Second, it protects your delivery structure. Is it self-paced? Live coaching? The structure affects the price. Finally, it protects your energy. If your work constantly drains you, your pricing likely doesn't support the delivery. So how do we fix it? Instead of asking, how much should I charge? Ask, what transformation am I responsible for delivering? Step 1, define the outcome. What result does your offer help someone achieve? Be specific. Step 2, define the delivery. How will the transformation happen? This determines how scalable your offer becomes. Step 3, define boundaries, program length, sessions, and scope of support. Boundaries protect both you and the client. When the transformation is clear, the delivery system is defined, and boundaries are set, pricing becomes much easier. If you want a framework for this, explore the AI Business Starter Kit. Link is in the description.